Hello and welcome to the channel. I got two packages here today. I'm fairly certain I know what's in this one. This one I'm not entirely sure. So oh, something just fell. Oh! Ugh. Wow, that came fast. I just ordered this last week. Wish I had my scissors. I'm not sure where they are at the moment. Ah, okay. Cast a ring. Is there anything else that fell out of there? Okay. Yeah, this is definitely a cheap quality ring. And then I got this USB-C to USB-C power cable. Power delivery cable, that's for my Steam Deck. Okay, I didn't get my, oh right, they didn't ship it yet. 90-degree adapter. And this should be my Star Wars movie collection, which I'm very excited for. This has all 12 movies on Blu-ray. And that's what I thought it was when I saw the package. All right. So we got The Last Jedi, Rise of Skywalker, Star Wars Solo, Phantom Menace, Attack of the Clones, Revenge of the Sith, New Hope, Empire Strikes Back, Return of the Jedi, Force Awakens, Rogue One, Special Features. Something ain't right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's only 8 here. It's got Rogue One. 9, 10, 11. Oh, it doesn't have... Wait, it's got Solo, Rogue One. What's it missing? Isn't there another movie? trying to think here. It says 12 movie collection. 8, 9. There's 11 movies. What movie's missing? Is there one missing? Maybe that is all of them. What am I thinking of? Something seems like it's missing. I could be wrong. Well, maybe that is all of them. It's got Rogue One. Got Rogue One and Solo. Yeah. Okay. Oh, total. Okay, there are 11 films. Okay. And special features. Okay. Nope, this is all the films. Okay. For some reason, I thought there was another one that I may have missed. Okay. I think I'm thinking of like some of the other movies that they've done, like the Ewok movies. I have watched both of those. I don't have those. There's the holiday special. I don't have that. I have seen it though. There's the animated holiday special, which I haven't seen yet. Pretty sure I watched Solo before. Yeah, I watched Solo before. I'm thinking I might have also watched Obi-Wan. The Obi-Wan series. That was supposed to be a movie as well, but that got turned into a Disney Plus series. I have Andor, which is related to Rogue One. Yeah. Okay. So that is all of them. Just weird that it says 12 movie collection when there's actually only 11. Counts as special features as a movie, I guess, for some weird reason. But, alright. Well, I think that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.